Good Lord. Hello. God's sake. Oh. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello and welcome to another video of Disney Infinity. Why we are here, I will explain all in a minute. Well, basically, in the last video, we would be talking to that. All about unless you've played it. So basically I'll explain. So what happened is we talked to the woman and she said we need to build a bridge over to the headquarters. And so we built a bridge and we bought it from the toy shop, and this is the headquarters, and it opened up and then there was a big statue. I think it was me, Mr. Incredible, and we had to build this training area over here to train up, but now I think it's for our first thing we had to unlock a glide pack. There we go. It's basic saying that before we can glide we have to do this task. And in the last video, well, the video that you didn't get to see because it failed, I could have uploaded it but had no sound, so it's pretty pointless. We had to do this and I couldn't do it at all, and
we don't want any crash landings now, do we?
you've got to, I don't understand really. I think I can do it soon, but I'm not sure. So I'm really sorry that you got to miss quite a lot of it, but it was just my microphone wasn't working at all. Right. How do you do the dive bomb? How do you do it? It's really confusing. Do you let go of, or do you just face down and then maybe you...
Let me give you a few pointers, darling.
Maybe you... We'll watch this booster thing again. Right, so while gliding, you press LT. LT.
Before you take a flying leap,
Stupid microphone. It wasn't working. I'll just check if it's working now. Yep, it's working now. That's good, really good. So, right, we try this again. So while gliding, here. Do we do that? Do we? Yeah! Incredible power! So hopefully the next video for Disney Infinity will be out on Thursday or Friday. What do you have to do? Right. There's an informant in the city you need to meet. She knows a constant inside Syndrome's organization who was willing to defeat to our side. Your compass to find her. Right, so we've got to follow our compass to find this man or woman or whoever she is. What's this one? Oh, we can unlock this. What do we get? A melee Omnidroid in the toy box mod. So I will be doing toy box much later, but I'm going to try and do playsets just because I like those. I want one of those Omnidroids now. Just wreck the city. Can we chuck Bob the Builder into the river? The bridge I was saying about. Actually, we're going to summon our car. Don't drive into the river. So there's a cool little toy bridge. Murder. No. How can he do that when he has? At least I have hands. So we have to. This is cool. Whoa! How can he just slide along? I know you jump onto there to slide along, but when he just slid along there. Oh, we have to break these. I think. Is climbing up here a possibility? Quick. Whoa, who is that? I remember her from the film. If you haven't, you should really watch the Incredibles film. It's a great film. It's probably one of my favourite films. Literally very good. Very, very, very good. But how are we supposed to get onto there? Do we climb? Can we climb up here? Yeah. And then we can. We're going to meet this stranger.
It's too dangerous for us to talk here in the city. Meet me back at headquarters.
Find out what makes the Omnidroids tick. The research facility will help you dismantle Syndrome's plans once and for all. And it includes a helipad and a spot to show off the Incredible. Build it today.
Oh, we got to do this mission about the animals and zoo, and all the animals have escaped. So we've got to go and collect all of the animals. All bad throw. I forgot to say that. But yeah. Monkey, come on.
I gotta say, it's good to be back.
You had to run up to the Disney Infinity base and switch to dash. A dash costume. Players dash. I think he runs. Just because it's dash. Oh, dun. Let's go and pick up the giraffe. All the video.
Tony sitting in a tree. Kissing.
Hello. Right. It is working. See my microphone. So I don't know if it keeps going off or something. Right, so let's pop up here. Right, so let's go up here. To collect an animal. It's like an elephant up there. Come down, elephant. Right, yeah, he should be going. Oh! I'm sure an elephant would be heavy to carry. Come on, elephant. Let's go. Excuse me! Excuse me, I'm carrying an elephant. Right, last two animals. Like a boss! Literally epic. That was amazing. Literally. Looks like there's been a few problems with these. After this, we'll go back to the headquarters or we'll maybe do some side quests. Oh wow, look at that panda. That's my panda! Panda muffin. That's it, Dash. Everyone in the street would be like, what? Because you don't see someone carrying a panda on their head every day. Oh dear, I want to get away from this guy. Don't. I want to stay. Quickly! Quickly! Get into the zoo! Yes! Right, last animal. Right, last animal. So in the last video, which was the Sonic map, I said that if my microphone not very good, in August or in around August, be upgrading my microphone, which is good. Popping my Disney Infinity Part 1 in the description, in case you haven't, because it's really good to watch. But as I said at the beginning, it was different to the ending of that video. Just because it didn't do what I wanted. My microphone didn't already work. So that's why we are doing this. Right, now let's go and meet that woman in the HQ. Oh, isn't that the bridge? Let's pop out the car quick. Mission log. Not mission log, toy store. See if we can find the... There's the headquarters. So the bridge has got to be around here somewhere. Here it is. Reverse, go around again.
We have a new piece of technology for you, a glide pack. However, you really need to practice with it before you find yourself in an emergency.
I have practiced. What's she telling me to do now? Incredible power! So? Okay. While we're at it, we buy the third one of these.
Syndrome is so lame.
Building, we'll go and practice with these, I think. Use. Look what this thing can do. Oh dear, we don't know. Any evil villains be stuck in there. That's the training, and that's the thingamabob. Right, let's go to our trainer. Yeah, by the way, this is the trainer who's training us. I'll have to go and... This guy has to go and teach us something, probably in the training, I suppose. Press and hold Y. Press and hold Y. press. That's one. That's two. I'll try again. And last one. There we go, we've defeated all those three. Incredible power! Now what do we need to do? Go and talk to the trainer again. So, probably for the rest of the video, we're just going to do some training to get our characters good.
Should I save next?
Who should I save next? Using a super speed, Dash can heal high damage to a single Omnidroid, breaking through its block state. Hit the blocking Omnidroid with super speed. Use RT to use superpower. Like a boss, Dash. Thank you very much, Incredible power! We'll do a bit more and then we'll end the video and do the next part on either Thursday or Friday. Yeah, we'll say in the description, just like last time, the next day of the video. LSY. LS and Y. Okay, so LS and Y. Try again. What? LS then? I swear LS is the left. Switch between the target. Between targets is it? What?
I love our family.
I swear. Switch between the top. By using LS. Using Y. Was that it? Yeah. Right. We'll do a few more things with this trainer, and then it'll be the end of the video. What now?
Being a super is awesome.
Super is three of them. Three of them now. Right. So LS. And then oh, we've got to do it really quickly. LS. 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 Oh, too fast. No, not too fast, too slow. Him at the side. Punch him at the side. Oh dear, this is hard. Right. We just did that. We just did this. For last time. I'll complete this, and in the next video, tell us some why. Do we just once? That's it. Incredible power. Right, now we're gonna have the last trainer thingamabob, and then we'll end the video. Right, so last one.
I bet I'm the fastest kid here.
Each pad in the correct order. So use Ellis. Dodge. Oh. Okay. Incredible power. Dodge.
Does this mean what I think it means? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you!
So we'll carry on training with the guy. Next video, which should be, I'll put the day of it in the description, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you later. So thank you very much. Bye.